y'all? Welcome to my video. My name is Tae Meshon for you all who don't know. And if you are a part of the Tae team, go ahead and leave some pink flower emojis down below. And if you are not, please help your girl out. Hit that subscribe button for me, please. Your girl trying to get her subscribers up. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, just by this little video that I made, you know, this little intro, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And also, I'm going to leave my social media site so you all can follow me on there too. But stay tuned for this look. Spirit fingers. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my lip with this Palmer's chapstick. I think it's chapstick, but it's like a moisturizing stick. But I use it for chapstick, honey, because we can't have the dry lips. But I already primed my eyelids and I'm just smoothing it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some setting powder just to set that concealer in place and just get it ready for my eyeshadow. Y'all know the routine. And I'm adding this black Radiana Continuous color pigment under my brow bone for a highlight. It's like a gold dust. And I got this stuff, I want to say for like Rite Aid somewhere like 2 years ago. I don't know, but I don't even know if they still sell this stuff. But I love it. And I'm starting out with the Masquerade palette. Y'all, this palette is the truth. I'm starting off with that pink. And I'm just blending that on, you know, my crease and my brow bone. And just keep blending. And I'm just packing that color in there until it gets, you know, to the pigment that I like. And then I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia also. And I'm going to go in with that purple right under that with like under it on top, like both of them. So I'm just add that on just to deepen up that color and just keep blending also. And I'm just going back and forth with that pink and that purple just so they can, you know, mesh well together. And then I'm going in with a clean brush just to blend out those edges so they don't look so harsh. And as you can see, y'all can tell what I'm doing right here. Cutting the crease, baby. Cutting that crease. I'm just using some LA Girls Pro Concealer just to cut my crease. And I think that's self-explanatory. Like, y'all know how to cut a crease. Y'all know what cutting a crease is. And I'm just letting it dry. Excuse me, I was listening to some music, so I had to get it in. And once that is dry, I go back in with the same Masquerade palette and I use this gold color out of it. And I put that on top of the cut crease. Just keep packing it on there. And then blending those edges out with that purple color out of the Zulu palette. Okay, so at the last minute, I decided to add this pink glitter. Not pink, oh my gosh, I'm colorblind. I'm adding this purple glitter off the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. And I'm using the glitter side and I'm just putting that purple glitter right on top of that cut crease. For some reason, like I have really been experimenting with glitter lately. I don't know what's gotten into me. What's going on? Alright, so now I'm just cleaning this up and I'm going to just go through the regular process of me doing my face, color correcting, and then right here is where I was supposed to set my orange concealer, but I forgot. So I'm just going in right now, just setting what I can and just praying that my foundation just don't turn orange from where I didn't set it at. But yeah, oh well, it'll be okay. So this is actually the first time of me trying the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer out, and I absolutely love it. I didn't know if I was going to like it because I thought it was a little too light, but once I blended it out, like, it was flawless, y'all. It was flawless, and it looks wonderful, even in person and on camera. So this is my new go-to concealer. So I'm going to have to put my LA Girl Pro Concealer on the back burner for right now because y'all know I have been using that since day one. But right now, it's all about this Black Opal, baby. And I'm also using another Black Opal product, the Deluxe Finishing Powder, which I absolutely love. Black Opal cut me my check, honey, because this powder, yes. And BH Cosmetics contour palette to contour, nothing extravagant. Okay, and I am not a fan of contouring my nose, but for some reason I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it another try, and I decided to contour my nose just a little bit, not too much, because you know I like my big nostrils how they are, and I decided to go ahead and add some of that pink color to my lower lid, you know, just to spice up the look a little bit, you know, just to jazz it up. I also used the NYX matte liquid liner to do my wing liner. I didn't record it because you know. And right here I'm adding dots on my lower lid in between my hairs, just to make my lower lash line seem fuller than what it really is. To highlight, I will be using one of the best drugstore highlights that you will be able to find, which is Maybelline Master Chrome, and this is in the color gold. They have 4, but this is the gold, and I absolutely love it. And for the lips, as you can see, I'm using a dark brown lip liner just to line my lips, and I'm using NYX. What is this? It's a matte liquid suede. Something, respect my pink. And listen, when I say I love this stuff, I have like 6 different colors, and I love all of them. For one, they are matte and they stay on, like I don't get any transfer, and they last all day long. But thank y'all for checking out my video today. Don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and check my channel out and look at my other videos. Peace, stay blessed.